Hello, guys. Welcome back with the second puzzle. Second puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Tuesday. Yes, it's still Tuesday, May the 10th, 2022. I've already solved one puzzle. Yes, 3 stars Sudoku. Yes, definitely a 3 stars. We have four puzzles left. The Sudoku with 4 stars, Tectonic with 4 stars, Binary, and the Killer Sudoku. It's time for the 4 stars Sudoku. Is this really 4 stars? I do not know. We will see. But this will be number 4531. Alright. For 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. If it's really a 4 stars. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. 3 ones. We have here 4 twos. 3 threes. 1 4. 3 fives. 1 2. 2 sixes. 2 sevens. 8. 1 8. 2 nines. Okay, so the twos are a majority. Let me start with the 2. 2 in this column, 2 in the last column. So the column between, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 2. We see here 2 in the middle column, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. Here 2 in this row, no 2 in those 2 boxes, 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2. Oh, cannot continue with the 2 now. Cannot continue with the 2. Need to wait. How about the 5 in the first column? 5. Oh, we have also 4 fives. Okay. 5 in the first column, 5 in the third column. So the column between the second column, only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, or there. We see that 5, no 5 there. Here, 5, no 5 there. The only place left for the 5 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5 in this row, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. Here 5 in this column, no 5 in that box, so 1 box left for the 5. It should be there. Alright, 5, 1 in this column, 1 in the last column. So the column between, only place left for the 1 should be there. 4, 9, 3. 9, 9. We have a pair. 3 and a 9 in this row, 3 and a 9 in the last row. So the row between, only 2 places left for the 3 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 3, 3, okay. Then 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. I'm thinking. 1, 2, 3, 5. Wow. 66. 7. Come on. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 7. We see here 7 in this column, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. So the 7 could be here, could be there. 7 in one of those two boxes in the last column, 7 in that column. So the column between, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. You see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers 1 and 2, the 3 is missing and a 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And a 3 goes, there are 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers are 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. 5, 5. 5, 5, 5. Yeah. 6, 6. I'm thinking. Yeah. Come on, this one is also a hard one. 3. 3 in the third column, 3 in the first column. So the column between the second column, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3. Okay. 3. About 5. Yeah, we have a pair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and a 5. We have a 3 and a 5 in this row, so no 3 and a 5 in these 3 boxes. We have a 3 and a 5 in the middle row, so no 3 and a 5 in these 2 boxes. And we have also a 3 and a 5 in this column, so no 3 and a 5 in those 3 boxes. So the 3 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. Okay, so 3 missing numbers now in this row. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4 in this big square, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this row. 4 numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. Yeah, 9. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2 in the middle row, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes and there. 2 missing numbers now in this middle row. 4 numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Alright. Okay. 6, 1. 7. Difficult. 7. 4. 1, 6, 3. No. 1 and 2 missing numbers in the third column. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 1 goes there. 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above. So that row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in the first row, 1 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1 or 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 1 should be there, and all the 1s are used. I can see. This is number 1. Wait. 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 missing numbers now in this big square. 4 numbers are 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 7 should be there. Then. Yeah, 7. 7, 8, and 6. 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number in this row is the number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, the 6 is missing. Well, we have a 6 here in this column, so no 6 in that box. Here, 6 in the last column, so no 6 in that box. So 1 box left for the 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in the last row. So the row between, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here. Oh, there we see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in the third row, 6 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 6. Well. 2 numbers left in the first column. 4 numbers, so 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. 7, 7, and 8. 7 and 8. 7 and 8. 8 and 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, so 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 box left in this row for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers are 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 4 and 7. 4 and 7. That means we have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. So this box can't be a 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 9. Alright. 2 missing numbers in the last column. 4 numbers are 1. The 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and the 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 8 in the first row, 8 in the second row. So in the third row, only 3 places left for the 8 should be here, or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8. In the middle column, so no 8 in that box, so 1 box left for the 8 should be there. 1 box left in this column for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 in the first row, 2 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 2. Oh. Apologies. Bump the camera. Alright, let me continue. 2 missing numbers in this column. The 3 and the 5. 3 and the 5 We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 5. 2 boxes left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and the 9, 4 and the 9. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Final, oh no, not final numbers. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 7. Final 2 numbers now in this big square. 4 numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 7 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this a 2 stars. And I'm quicker than the previous Sudoku with 3 stars. How could that be? So you cannot always tell a 4 stars puzzle is really a 4 stars. It depends. If you have a lot of hidden numbers, pairs, then you need more time. Anyway, I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also for yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles of today. Binary puzzle, killer Sudoku, and a tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye-bye for now.